Greetings. We've been looking for a great way to be able to get our shoes back and forth to the gym without getting everything dirty and nasty and wet. So I think we found a solution. We're gonna go ahead and check out a new bag we got for the gym. Let's see what we got. All right, this is the Xiung Louiis sports gym bag. Comes in a Ziploc bag. Comes wrapped in plastic, taped up at the edge. Comes with the bag itself, also comes with a shoulder strap to be able to attach to either side. It has a Velcro handle at the top to keep your two handles together. I actually really like this. This has like a plastic rubber that goes on the little string here that opens it up, so it helps if your hands are wet to be able to grip a little bit better. On the side, it actually has the wet pouch, so if you open it up, you actually see it's plastic lined, so you can put your bathing suit stuff in like that in there, which is pretty great. On one side, it has a mesh holder so that you can put stuff on the outside of the bag. On the other side, it actually has the feature that I've been looking for. This is a bag for your shoes, and you see here it's got the air vent to help let some of the moisture out. And right here is the inner lining so that you can put your shoes, and it actually seals it so that you can put all your stuff in the bag, and then your shoes, your dirt, your mud, your moisture doesn't get inside the bag itself. All right, and when you're done at the gym, just throw your shoes inside, and you see you could actually make it go pretty far back, so if you had longer feet, that would also work. And then you just zip it up. And so not only are you going to keep the dirt and the muck outside of the bag, but it also has the air vent here so that, you know, the sweat and the wetness and all that kind of stuff can evaporate from outside, which is pretty awesome. All right, so we like that it has a pretty heavy duty metal attachment ring here. It's a little bit thick, and so that's nice. It also comes with the metal attachments for the band, and all you have to do is attach it like so. And then this is adjustable. You can put it wherever you want, and then you can also adjust the size for the belt as well. So you can make it really long if you wanted, or you can keep it short. All in all, I think it's going to do the job that I need done when going to the gym. It's going to give me the ability to go ahead and take my shoes with me without getting all my other stuff dirty. I like that it has a wet pack and a wet pocket, because we do a lot of swimming when we go to the gym or when we go to the YMCA. So it's gonna be a nice addition. I would probably say this is given maybe a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's made pretty well. It's got pretty durable material. I like the feel of it. And as you've noticed, I like gray. Most of our house is painted gray with gray tones. I do like the gray color. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, smack that thumbs up. We'll talk to you later.